Feeling the pressure as Black Friday and Cyber Monday approach? Before you start swapping plugins, rewriting headlines, and refreshing your homepage 37 times, take a breath. In this video, we're walking you through the smart way to prep your e-commerce site for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. No chaos, no last-minute disasters, just a clear, focused guide to keep your site fast, secure, and ready to convert like crazy. I'll be giving you a high-level overview of how to get your site prepped, polished, and capable of handling the rush, from backups and performance to security, customer experience, marketing, and beyond. It's not about flashy tricks or last-minute overhauls. It's about sticking to what works and making sure every detail is sorted out. And to really get everything dialed in, you can find a free downloadable checklist in our video links below that outlines everything you need to get your business Black Friday ready. Hi, I'm Erin from SiteGround, and if you're into smart, practical marketing tips like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. All right, let's roll up our sleeves and get your site ready to handle all the traffic and sales headed your way. Keep things simple. Let's kick things off with a golden Black Friday rule. Keep it simple. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are not the time to reinvent your website, launch risky new features, or test a totally different layout just to see how it performs. If something breaks, even a little, it could cost you the entire weekend. Instead, stick to what you know works. That homepage layout that converts, keep it. That checkout flow you've tested 100 times, don't touch it. Focus your energy on polishing the details, all of which we'll be covering today. Long story short, before you start adding timers, pop-ups, widgets, or new integrations, ask yourself, is this helping the customer, or is this just adding noise? Simple, tested, and reliable beats fancy but fragile every time. Back up your site first. Before you do literally anything, like before you even walk the dog or clean out the dishwasher or take that well-deserved nap, please make sure to back up your site first. Because if something happens to your site and it's not backed up, then there goes your Black Friday sales and closing out 2025 with a bang. Now, this doesn't have to be hard, complicated, or expensive. Just make sure your hosting provider includes backup features and check what exactly is offered. Some don't include backups by default, or they charge extra. For example, SiteGround includes free daily backups with all hosting plans, which is incredibly handy and essential. With its automated system, your site is backed up every day without you having to lift a finger. And if something goes wrong, you can restore your site fast and get back to business without missing a beat. I'll leave a link to SiteGround hosting below. Optimize performance and scalability. Your site might seem like it's running just fine right now, but you know what? Fine might not cut it during Black Friday. If you get all those sales you're hoping for, then you're going to want to make sure your site is ready to meet the occasion. And the reality is that even a small traffic spike can overwhelm your server if it's not properly optimized. This happens all the time during high-volume sales periods. Sites slow down, or worse, crash. That's why scalable hosting is critical. It ensures your site can handle traffic surges without missing a beat. On top of that, enable caching, use a content delivery network to handle global visitors, compress images, and clean up any bloated code. A single oversized image might not matter on a normal day, but when 100,000 people are trying to load it at once, that's a problem. Run speed tests, monitor uptime, and fix issues before they cost you sales. Because during Black Friday, every second counts, and a slow site can kill conversions. And speaking of speed, SiteGround offers free monthly performance reports that give you an overview of your site's performance and pinpoint quick fixes and optimization opportunities. These reports help you stay on top of potential issues before they become a problem. Meanwhile, when it comes to having a top-notch, scalable, and high-performing site, SiteGround can also hook you up. Our hosting is the best of the best, and it's our passion to make your site succeed during the holiday shopping season. And if you're looking for more quick, easy-to-implement ways to speed up your site, beyond choosing a great hosting provider, check out our performance tips video. These are fast fixes that can make a real impact even right before Black Friday. The link's below. Focus on security. All right, let's talk about security, because with all those eyes and credit cards on your site during BFCM, locking things down couldn't possibly be more important, because hackers love high traffic sales events. And if something goes wrong, it can not only impact your holiday sales, but even your long-term reputation. So let's address this now before it becomes an irreversible problem. Tighten up your security by making sure your SSL certificate is active, that everything, plugins, themes, your CMS is fully updated, and the admin access is restricted with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Set up a firewall, scan your site for malware, and yes, back it up again. When traffic spikes, so does risk, so secure your site from every angle before the rush. It's worth mentioning that at SiteGround, you also get free monthly security reports with your overall website security score, along with suggestions for improvement when needed. These reports help you stay on top of vulnerabilities and make sure your site remains safe as you gear up for the busiest time of year. Not a security expert? No problem. These simple, quick security tweaks can be implemented before Black Friday, and we break them down in more detail in a short, easy-to-follow video. I'll leave the link below. Okay, moving right along. Pay attention to the customer journey. Once your site is fast and secure, it's time to zoom out and map the full customer journey. Every touch point from first click to post-purchase. The most important part of this when it comes to Black Friday is, of course, your website. Walk through it like a customer would. Are your products easy to find and clearly described? Are your FAQs up to date, especially around returns, shipping times, and discount details? Is the checkout process smooth, intuitive, and mobile-friendly? Then zoom in on your messaging and calls to action. Are they clear, compelling, and consistent across every page? Do they guide users naturally from browsing to buying? Take the time now to fix and optimize any of the weak links in your customer's experience. Now, this is just a quick rundown on the customer journey, but if you want to learn more about it, check out our video linked below for a deep dive. Marketing over SEO for now. Let's talk SEO real quick. If you're not already ranking for your target Black Friday keywords, then you're probably not going to crack page 1 this week. SEO takes time. So instead of trying to sprint up the rankings at the last minute, put your energy into what you can control right now, your marketing. This is your moment to go hard on email campaigns. Send clear, targeted messages to your list. Build hype, create urgency, and make it dead simple for people to click through and shop. Which, by the way, would you like a video on emails for Black Friday? If so, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. Social content. Tease your deals, show behind-the-scenes prep, create countdowns, and keep reminding your audience that something big is coming. Paid ads. Whether it's Google, Instagram, or TikTok, this is the time to invest in reach. Push your best sellers, retarget past visitors, drive warm leads straight to your deals. Think of SEO as the long game. It's still important, just not the lever to pull right now. For Black Friday, the name of the game is visibility and momentum, and marketing is how you get it. And if you'd like more Black Friday marketing ideas, then be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll have a video coming out soon that will cover everything you need to know. Track and measure. All right, last but definitely not least, don't fly blind. All the prep in the world means nothing if you're not tracking how it performs. You need to know what's working, what's flopping, and where you can pivot in real time. Here's what to lock in before the big day. Set your KPIs. What does success look like? Sales, conversion rate, average order value? Know your targets before you start. Check your analytics setup. Make sure your Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or whatever tools you use are tracking properly. Run a few test purchases to verify data flows correctly. Tag and track campaigns. Use UTM parameters on all your email links, ads, and social posts so you can clearly see where traffic is coming from. Monitor in real time. Don't wait until after BFCM to analyze. Keep a dashboard open, track key metrics live, and be ready to make adjustments. Ads not converting? Pause or tweak. A specific product flying off the shelves? Promote it harder, but also make sure your shelves are stocked. Not sure how to make sense of all those crazy metrics? Not a problem. We've detailed it out in our digital marketing metrics video, which you can find in the list of links below. Think long-term. After Black Friday, your strategy shouldn't end. It should kick off a long-term plan to nurture customer relationships and keep the momentum going on your website. So here's what you'll want to keep in mind. Turn data into action. Once the dust settles, dive into all those metrics you were tracking and measuring. What worked? What didn't? Where did customers drop off? Use that data to improve your strategy for next time. Optimize your website for retention. During the big sales event, make sure your website is optimized for ongoing engagement. For example, make it easy to capture emails so that you can continue to engage with interested shoppers far beyond the holiday season. Also, worth noting, SiteGround makes it extra easy to create forms to capture all those emails and then set up, segment, and send effective messages to your customers. It honestly makes BFCM email marketing a whole heck of a lot easier. I'll leave a link below. Okay, last thing. Keep the customer journey going. The journey doesn't end at checkout. Remember, your Black Friday and Cyber Monday customers are at different stages. Some may have just signed up for your newsletter, while others made a purchase. Keep nurturing them along with targeted content, product recommendations, special deals, and more. Stay on their radar and turn that Black Friday buzz into lasting loyalty with rewards and exclusive offers, as well as early access to future sales. When you focus on your website strategies beyond the big event, you can turn those short-term Black Friday gains into lasting customer relationships and growth. All right, that's your BFCM website prep guide. Don't forget to snag your free checklist in the notes below. Meanwhile, keep it simple, stay focused, and don't try anything wild and crazy the night before. Back up your site, optimize what matters, and guide your customers through a smooth, secure, and enjoyable experience. And keep in mind that Black Friday and Cyber Monday aren't just about the weekend. Everything you do now should build momentum for the long term. Meanwhile, if you want hosting that's built to handle the traffic, speed, and spikes of the holiday season and beyond, check out SiteGround. We've got the tools, the support, and the performance to help your site succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more web and business tips. Good luck this holiday season. We'll see you next time.